In this video, I'm going to show you how to dictate on the Mac. First, you need to turn on dictation. And to do this, you want to head up to the little Apple logo in the top left hand corner. And from here, come down to System Preferences, and on the System Preferences page, come over to Keyboard. And on the top tabs here, you want to come across and select Dictation. And then you want to select the toggle here to select Dictation On. This will give you a warning message, and if you're happy with it, you enable dictation. You'll then be able to select the language, and then underneath the shortcode. This is what you press to quickly bring up dictation. I prefer the microphone symbol, and on my keyboard it is F5. Once you've done that and made your selections, you can exit this away and then bring up any text document or website what you want to dictate to. Then you want to press the hotkey, whichever you selected, in my case F5. This will bring up the dictation. Or you can go to Edit and come down to the bottom and select Start Dictation. And everything you'll say from now on will be dictated. This is how to dictate on the Mac. Full stop. And once you've finished your dictation, you want to select Done. Or your Mac will not be listening to you. That is how you dictate on the Mac. And I hope that video was helpful. And if it was, please hit the like button below and check out this next quick Mac tip. And thank you for watching.